Well, we are back at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. They invited us out to check out Mardi Gras 2021. Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. We are once again visiting Busch Gardens, but this time for something new, Mardi Gras. Thank you, Busch Gardens, for inviting us out to check out Mardi Gras. I'm super excited. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. If you want to support my channel, down below is a link. It'll take you to my Patreon page. Now, let's take a closer look. Stopped off and got our lanyards, food and beverage sampler we have here. We get to try 5 different items each. And I've got my plus one.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Forever plus one.
Yeah, this is our first time checking Mardi Gras out.
Yeah.
So we're excited.
So between both of us, we have 10 things to try.
Yeah, there's a lot of options, so here we go.
Got some New Orleans jazz-inspired music playing in the park. That's cool. Last time we were here, I believe it was Christmas music playing. Coming soon, the tallest hybrid coaster, the world's fastest, world's steepest hybrid coaster. The Iron Gwazi, that's it up there. Also, last time we were here, this is where they had all the festivities, but now it's a little further down. Okay, yeah, it seems like everything is over in this area near the Garden Gate Cafe. And look at that. Some Mardi Gras performers right over here. I spy some birds. Look at that. Oh, hi. I like how these guys are just out in the open. So here's some of the items they have. Beignets, but not just powdered sugar. They have bourbon caramel and rum glazed bananas Foster. That sounds pretty tempting. I think Abby's gonna go ahead and get in line for that. She loves some beignets. Now these are the prices for the sampler. So what we got, the 5 item, 34. Well, technically we would have gotten a 10 item, which was 50 bucks. So very nice what they gave us. Thank you so much, Busch Gardens. We're super excited from us to you. Being from Mississippi and being very close to New Orleans, it's nice to get a little taste of something that reminds us of home. Now over in this dome and stage area where Santa Claus was meeting during the holidays, this is King Square at the Coke Canopy. And they do have some Louisiana Cajun and Zydeco music playing here. I think we're gonna catch the 4 o'clock showing. It seems like they have social distance little tables here. And then they have some seating here and the stage straight ahead. Oh yeah, check that out. That's pretty cool. Some decorations out in the lawn. So I'm gonna hop in this line and I think I'm gonna grab me a hurricane because it's been so long since I've had a hurricane in real New Orleans. Figured I could just get the next best thing here at Busch Gardens. This is what I'm gonna be doing the frozen hurricane, I believe, is what I'm gonna try. It's got different rum in it and fruit juices. Something to taste. See, it's just a taste, it's a sample. So normally the regular size comes in a souvenir glass with different fruit on top, but not in the souvenir. This is what you get. Still not bad. Hurricane and beignets have been acquired. I got the hurricane and Abby got the beignets.
Yeah, I feel like you can't go to either New Orleans or a New Orleans expired event and not get beignets, right?
Exactly. These look good. Oh yeah. Gonna try the hurricane. Yep. Man, it tastes like New Orleans. Ooh. Yeah, that's good. How was it?
Very good. I mean, the only downside to beignets is they're so messy, but
yeah,
delicious and worth it.
Powder everywhere.
Powder everywhere. Like, so I'm like leaning over.
Right. That's so like buttery. These are fresh.
They literally are fresh. I was the first new batch.
Oh, these are the first new batch. Man, that powder sugar. Now all I need is some chicory coffee.
Oh yeah.
I'm good.
Cafe au lait.
Santa Street, Orlando, to be with you.
All right, we're heading into the Bead Garden. Hi, happy Mardi Gras! I'm so excited we get to get beads. All right. Woo, whoa, I wasn't paying attention, my bad. We need to redo. Let's see if I can catch one. One, can I try and catch one? Let's see. All right, here we go. This will be so good. Got it! Yes, all right. Got some beads. Awesome, well thanks guys. Happy Mardi Gras. Well, it's a good thing I had Abby because she got all the beads. So now I have beads. Officially have beads. Yeah, the Bead Garden, fantastic. You stand in line, you go up, you get to say hello to the Mardi Gras people, and they will throw you the beads. It's pretty cool. I like how they did it. It's Jackie's turn. She's grabbing some beads and a pretty awesome selfie. And then Nate's gonna be heading up now. We're all getting beads. Get some beads? Yes. Yes. Oh, kids, look at that. I think that's like brown sugar on the rim. And this is the gumbo. It's over some biscuits. That's interesting. I like that. Now this looks pretty tasty. Chicken, okra. I know there's got to be some kind of andouille sausage in here somewhere. Where are you? I don't see any. Maybe I didn't get any with my scoop. Oh well, it's all cooked together anyways. I'm excited about having this on the biscuits. Normally I have this over rice. Sometimes I have a cup of gumbo just by itself. And I'm excited to wash it down with that. Abby headed inside the Garden Gate Cafe to try the Impossible Jambalaya. Bottoms up. Ooh. That is brown sugar on the rim. Ooh. Ooh, that's really good. Vanilla, there's bitters in it. It's good. I like that. Especially with this cooler weather. It's pretty nice. What did you get? Oh, yours has sausage on it. Mine didn't have sausage.
You get an andouille sausage, and then I got the brisket too because they both just look too good.
Nate.
Too good to be true.
Is this your first time having like real New Orleans style food?
Oh no, I love New Orleans. I love Cajun food.
Okay.
Absolutely love it. So I'm interested to compare this to Universal coming up.
Yeah, that's true. I can't believe it's already that time of year.
Oh, very fancy.
And my partner in crime over here, Jackie, is also doing the old-fashioned. That was, I think it's brown sugar on the rim.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, at first I was like, is that cayenne pepper? It's really smooth. It's vanilla. Okay. It's good, dude. And
it's always good.
This weather makes it even that much better. You know how it is. And you got a better portion of gumbo. Look at that. Her chicken is way better than mine.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, this
I'm
is.
real happy with this.
This is tasty. I wish I had sausage like Nate has.
I don't have sausage.
I don't have sausage.
Where's the sausage?
I don't know. And just like that, we are trying the shrimp and grits. Look at that. Oh, kids. I say that all the time. Oh, look. I finally got some sausage. There it is. Right there. And some shrimp, tomato, some spices, and some creamy cheese grits, it looks like. Let's give it a whirl. I'm gonna make sure I get a little bit of everything in here. The shrimp, sausage, and the grits. Woo, get out of town. That is so good. That's really good. And I've had some shrimp and grits in my day. The tomato sauce makes it. That's what it is. That's good. Oh, and Abby went with the Impossible Jambalaya?
Yeah, I don't eat red meat, so I was excited to see that there was a vegetarian option, and it is really, really good.
It's impossible.
Impossibly delicious.
Yes, take a bite. I want to see. How is it? I'm going to try it. All right, I'm going to try this impossible dish.
Last year at this time, we were on our vacation. And
Yeah.
anniversary.
Yeah, the dirty rice makes that. Ooh, I love dirty rice. Man, it's good. Don't worry, clean rice is good too, but dirty. Oh, and the Saints go marching in, buddy. Yep, there's a band right over here. Oh, heck yeah, this is awesome. I feel like I'm back home. I got a shrimp po' boy with the pickles and the good sauce in. Oh my gosh. When I go back home to Mississippi, I bring a ton of these back. And then I found out that Wawa sells these. It's hard to find, but they do sell Zaps. All right. Here we go. Shrimp po' boy. Mmm. Oh yeah. That's good. That's really good. Here, you guys want some beads?
I want it.
Yeah! There you go, boy.
He's so thirsty.
Well, he's got that nice beer right there. He could just drink up. We have Promise and Travis. They're finally with us. Happy New Year, friends! They didn't bring the puppy, though. I'm highly disappointed.
I said he could have probably fit in my backpack.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Abby got us cupcakes. Look at that one, it has a little mask on it. She quickly told me it was a king cake cupcake. King cupcake.
I need a king cake cupcake.
I love king cake.
I love king cake.
So good.
I used to order king cake from New Orleans. Like every year in Mardi Gras season, I would like order it to Miami.
No way. That's a long travel.
I have a specific bakery that I order from.
I bit down the baby one time when I was a kid,
I love getting the baby.
and it really hurt.
Wait, is there a baby in that?
Not in these.
Baby.
Look at the colors.
I like that
Straight up.
where they rip it apart.
Yes. Is that like cream cheese?
Let's try it.
It's just called king cake.
Because king cake has cream cheese in it, or the ones I used to get did. Yeah.
It's king cake. I didn't think it was going to actually be king cake.
We're gonna try the king cake.
Yellow, like hold like yourself, and it was the whole thing. That is so. I love that you ordered.
No way.
I freaking ordered it.
That is king cake. That's crazy.
I paid like $40 for it.
You don't say. You don't say.
My family's
But I guess the person decided.
We're gonna see how many times we can play.
Jackie in the Wild.
I feel it in my bones.
Let the good times roll, friend. Woo! They're coming. I can see them. They're right down there. Yeah! Oh, that's so cool. Dude, look at this thing. It's like a lobster crab of some sort.
It's a big crawfish, personally.
Oh, it is a crawfish.
Yeah. That
You're
is
so smart.
cool.
Oh my gosh. Hey! This is crazy. Look at this. It's amazing. Here we go. Ready? 2, 3. Mardi Gras! Woohoo! That was awesome. This is so awesome. What do you think, Abs?
This is amazing, like far exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, this is great. Oh, that's awesome. What's up? Oh man, the band is back. Dude. Oh, there's our ride. There's our ride. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? We're gonna end the evening with the band over here? And these guys were fantastic earlier. Holy cow, that was awesome. I hadn't seen a parade like that in a long time. That reminded me of Mardi Gras. Well, this was a lot of fun. I had such a blast having all kinds of drinks and food and friends, and heck, I even got to see a little bit of a parade. That was pretty awesome. But I think our adventure for the day has come to an end, which means it's time to say goodbye. If you enjoyed this episode, please give me a thumbs up. The next time you visit Busch Gardens, tell them World of Micah sent you. I will see you on the next episode. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.